morning everybody and welcome back to another video. Excuse my voice, I've got a really croaky voice from the aircon.
Lights, camera, action, ayy. I'm smoking that dope from Edmond. We the new meth in Redmond. We ain't real blood, but we brethren. Run up a check and it's pending.
So today is Friday and we're actually going down to Train Beach. So it's like a gym slash pool apparently, isn't it?
Yeah, gyms, pools, and workspace there.
Yeah, so we're gonna spend the day there. I look really pale in this light, but we've just ordered room service and it's taken like an hour to come, and I'm really hungry. And also I'm quite disappointed because I ordered porridge and they said that it came with loads of berries, and look what it's come with.
2. What I ordered?
3 blueberries. I don't really class that as loads of berries, but here you go. And then Kieran ordered poached eggs on toast, and he's got hollandaise, and he also got a side of avocado and then a bowl or a basket of bread. So yeah, we're gonna eat this and then we're gonna get a taxi down to Train Beach. We're actually in another hotel now, so we're actually in the Palm JVC, which is why our hotel room looks, not the Palm, I said Palm JVC, which is why our room looks different, but the view is really nice. So out here, and we're on like the 16th floor. Oh my god, we're on like the 16th floor, so we've got a really nice view here. And then the bathroom's actually the best bit, but Kieran flooded it this morning. It's also really messy. But yeah, this is the bath, it's so nice. Just documenting Kieran making me a coffee. How many times before have you made me a coffee?
On this holiday we've been in what? I don't know, a week and a half, 2 weeks? Probably 13 days.
No, it's not. That is the first time. You never ever make me coffee in bed. I'm always up doing it for you.
Lockdown together, I made you endless coffee.
No, you didn't. That is bullshit. Stop lying.
When you choose to vlog the parts where you bake me out.
Anyways, breakfast all done. I couldn't actually finish all of that, but I added some jam and then Kieran sold the rest of the jam and they got really boring, so I blame you. Would you hurry up? I've just made my BCA drink, so I've got my protein BCAs mixed with cranberry juice. I'm trying something new. And we're just going to Train Beach. Just got to Train Beach. And you want to train Jordan?
Jordan, bit of triceps.
Jordan, so we're just warming up on this machine here. It's like just a seated shoulder press with a barbell. And also, by the way guys, you only have to wear your mask when you're actually like walking around the gym, not when you're doing an exercise. So now that I'm going on to do an exercise, I don't have to wear it. Loads of people have been saying about it on my Instagram, and yeah, you don't actually have to wear it when you're doing an exercise because you can't breathe. So yeah, I'm going to do a warm-up set now.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now. 'Cause there is only one thing on my mind. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my new grave. I can do my own thing. I can do my own thing.
shaved your armpits?
I just wanna see you on my new grave before you turn around and walk away. Hey, 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 I just wanna see you on my.
So we've just finished training and we're now about to order some food from Train Breach, so we're just sitting outside. How nice is this though, post-workout, and then the pool's over there, and then the beach is over there.
Perfect way to finish the session. Come outside, get in the bit with chicken, rice, veg.
What are you gonna order?
And a smoothie, all the vitamins.
All the vitamins.
So they do the thing for a post-workout meal. It's literally just
Are you actually getting that?
grilled chicken, rice and veg. Yeah, I had last time because I believe and I'm a shake called the Big Boy.
Boring.
It's got B-O-Y because I just broke up.
Right guys, so we've just got back to the hotel after a day at Train Beach. I'm absolutely exhausted, I don't know about you.
I'm a bit. I don't know why, I'm literally just...
I fell asleep, yeah, I fell asleep in the cab as well. I'm so tired, but I think we're gonna go out for some food tonight. I've got also a few more check-ins to do. So yeah, that was pretty much our day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm just gonna show you the view quickly as well because the sun is setting. So I know I showed you this last night, but this is the actual view in the daytime, and there's definitely a party going on somewhere. Anyways, yeah, it's so beautiful. Hold by. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this vlog, guys. If you liked it, then make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time at the same time. Bye bye.
Wait, I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar.